Sunghee Lee. Welcome to Talk Satellite at GSTC in Singapore.
Yeah, thank you so much for inviting me. I'm really honored to interview with you to announce our business area. Yeah, it's nice to meet you.
Please, can you provide background on Contec as a company?
Yeah, actually, before establishing my own company, Contec, I have worked for Korea Aerospace Research Institute for 16 years. During working for the CARI, my main role is design and operation for the ground station, for the launch mission and satellite mission. Based on my experience, I'm just thinking, okay, now it's ready to make my own company. That's why nowadays I have the commercial business. Our company, when I start my company, I only just focus on the ground station design and implementation with our software. But after that, I just expand our business, satellite image processing and satellite image analytics service with our deep learning algorithm. So nowadays we have three kinds of the service level. The one is ground station as a service with our global ground network. Second business, satellite image processing with our calibration validation algorithm. When we receive the satellite raw image data, we can apply our satellite image processing algorithm. After that, we can make the well-defined satellite image data. After that, we also applied our AI algorithm to make our analytics service for the defense application, disaster, smart city monitoring, ocean pollution. Yeah, that is our main business area.
And how do you find running your own company?
Based on my experience, actually, that is, how can I say, when Contec was growing up, I have a lot of our business trip to meet our partner and something like that. It is not easy to announce our business. At the time, we don't have any our ground station. We needed to have our funding from our investor. Our first seed funding, I just established our first ground station in South Korea. And then we just have the contract with our several customer. So after that, we just expand our several ground station with the Series A funding, B funding, C funding. Nowadays, we have the $60 million the funding. Also, last year, we just listed on the Korea stock market, which is called Kostak. It's like the Nasdaq. In my case, I have the more than 150 days business trip to meet our customer and partner. Without any passion, without any my contribution, it is not easy to expand our business area, I think.
Contec's offerings, why did you choose these particular services to roll out into the market?
Yeah, actually, as I told you, that is based on my experience. Actually, when I work for CARI, as I told you, my main business, my main role is the ground station design, operation, and data analytics for our satellite, the CARI satellite, and also launch mission. 12 years, I just work for the launch department for the Korea Space Launch Vehicle project. During the working for the launch department, I just designed the telemetry ground station and price determination system. When a launch vehicle has some problem, we can send the termination signal to launch vehicle to shut down the engine. I have two kind of job for 12 years. After that, I just moved into the satellite department. During that time, I just also design and also operation data analysis for satellite operation and data handling. Anyway, based on my experience, it is better to penetrate my business ground station design and data analysis as a first step. I'm just looking for another expansion business. That's why I'm just focused on the ground station based on my experience.
The market for your business has grown immensely since 2015. How are you addressing opportunities today to reach Contec's full potential, internationally and domestic?
Nowadays, our company is 9 years old. It's quite fast growing up. Without any support from our investor, private investor, and our government, it is not easy. Also, I and our team is really hard work without any sleep. For sometimes, I just sleep 10 minutes for 5 days to make the contract, how to make my strategy to make a contract with our partner and customers. Also, our government also support okay, Sunghee, you just work for the Korea Aerospace Research Institute. It is a government research institute. So in order to raising up the Korea space ecosystem, Korea government need to support you. So anyway, based on the whole of the environment, Korea government policy, our investor, our team is quite well defined. Anyway, based on those kind of the whole combination, it will great result to raising up our business very fast. Actually, the space business is not only domestic area. We have to find out our potential customer of the world. For this reason, I'm just thinking to make our subsidiary in Europe and the USA. As a first step, I just defined the European subsidiary in Luxembourg. That's why Luxembourg. I'm just to check two kind of the potential place. One is Toulouse, the other one is Luxembourg. But actually, Luxembourg government is more benefit for our business. For this reason, I just rent in Luxembourg to make our business as the marketing office. I have visited UK to make the addition of our subsidiary because actually in Scotland, as I know, there are more than 150 space company. We have a lot of our partner in there also. I'm just looking for the proper our potential new business with our partner. That's why I'm just thinking to make our additional subsidiary in UK.
Right. What about technology? Where do you see it all heading?
Yeah, actually, in terms of the technology, I can mention the two things based on the business area. Regarding the ground station, nowadays antenna system quite important things. Currently, when we track the satellite, only one antenna can invert the one satellite. But if we just support more than 20, 30, or 100 satellite, we needed to install the 100 ground station. But if we just install phase array beamforming array antenna, electric array antenna, we can produce more than 30 electric beam or 40 electric beam. So the technology just transfer to the new area like the beamforming phase array antenna system. We also quite interesting for this area. Also, nowadays the most of satellites just make the radio communication. For this reason, we just installed our optical ground station in the western part of Australia and South Korea. Our business is heading up those kind of area. But in terms of satellite image processing, we needed to develop the onboard processing to reduce the processing time on ground. The calibration and validation satellite image processing team is under the develop new onboard processing algorithm to reduce the time. Yeah.
Contec customer base. Can you give us more detail how your clients are utilizing your services?
Yeah, as I told you, our main business is GSaaS business, ground station as a service. But when we find out our customer, we have to explain what is the unique selling point compared to the other competitor. But the case of Kongsberg Satellite, Swedish Space Corporation, SSC, Leap Space, those kind of company, they only focus on the ground station as a service to receive the raw data. But our business is a little bit different things. Even if we have our ground station network, not only the GSaaS service, but also the satellite image processing. Sometimes when I meet our customer, they just request, okay, Sunghee, is it possible to process our image data with your ground station service? Yeah, let's do that. We already have a lot of the experience. KSAT, the SSC, if they just contract to the KSAT, they also contract the other company to have the satellite image processing service, the two contract. But if they just contract with us, they only have one contract for the ground station service plus satellite image processing. If they just want to have the analytic service, we can do that. We have 3 different service level based on our customer requirement. They just use our service like this.
Sunghee Lee, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you so much for having me. I just would like to meet your customer in the near future. Thank you.